Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to go over just some details on how you should set up your website in terms of structure, the elements that you need in it. And then I'm going to show you kind of where to access your website. I kind of showed you in the previous video, but I just want to give you an idea of how these sites are comparable, the things you need to think about, and the flow that the information you're putting into the website, if you want to make any tweaks, how it needs to be formatted. So let's just jump into this video. So let's just go back to the Sites app up here. And so you'll have your website, and let's just go click on Edit. Let's open it up there. Now, when you're designing a website or a landing page, you can treat both of those as the same. So the fundamentals I'm going to show you, you can apply that to a website, you can apply it to a landing page. It's essentially the same thing. It's like organized information that's as they scroll, that person is getting the right information at the right time. It's in chronological order. And then you're trying to produce a direct response, an action. So it works for websites and landing pages. So the four things you have to really think about when you're designing a high converting website is you have to have a high value offer introduction. That's really the first thing you have to think about. And that high value offer is usually at the top. Well, actually, it's always at the top majority of the time. So for example, this website is Miami's digital marketing solution. We have a team of dedicated professionals providing cutting edge search engine optimization solutions and digital marketing strategies. Transform your company to create innovative design experiences at a local as well as global scale. So this is sort of your offer, right? Transform your company and create innovative design experience at a local as well as global scale. And then the first thing it's going to do, so this is the introduction to your offer. And then right away, you want to ask for an action, which is either contact or learn more. So that's the first step. The second step is going to be supporting content. Now, most of the sections following the first blade of the website, by the way, blade is just like the section. All these following sections, this is going to be the second part of your website that you have to think about. Now, I'm just really focusing on the homepage, by the way. And that is supporting content. So all this content that we're going to start looking at is supposed to support and add credibility to the claim that we just said to our dream buyer. So to give an example, we just gave the introduction to the offer, which is transform your company, okay? Now, all this information is to validate and add credibility to that statement. We're basically trying to convince them that, in fact, we are the right resource to help you do this. So the supporting content is going to be stuff like benefits, features, maybe if you have a guarantee of some sort, all this kind of stuff, more information. So right here, it gives you an idea of what the process looks like. This is supporting content. Schedule a call, get your plan, win online, work with the best. More is about the company. That's supporting content. Maybe you add achievements. Here's some cool things. Services we offer for Miami. So, maybe you want to focus on locality, not nationally. And so maybe you're putting in a lot of keywords to add credibility that you are the go-to source in Miami, per se. Here's more credible features, benefits, supporting content to add to your claim. You specialize in SEO, Google Ads, Facebook ads. Okay, so all of this is building your case for them to want to take an action on your site. More supporting content, industry leader, here's some cool stuff, build credibility. Maybe you have testimonials, case studies, use cases, whatever it might be. So you can see how I'm scrolling. It keeps adding credibility to my main statement. That's what you want. Like, here's some big, heavy-hitting ones. Achieve success with the search and social today. Partner with Google Ads, Bing Ads, right? If they see all this stuff with big names, they're going to have big trust in you, or quicker trust. Testimonials, that sort of thing. Now, for this section, after you've done supporting content, you want to ask for the action. This is the collect the information section. So let's just go through this real quick. The first section is going to be your high value offer. This is the offer you are now presenting to them in like a sort of general broad way, if you will, right? Transform your company and create national success. Okay, let's back that claim up with supporting content. Here's what we do. Here's features, your benefits. Maybe you have a power guarantee, all this great stuff. By the way, the site's already set up this way, so you could just tweak it a little bit if you want, but it's pretty much set up for you. More supporting content, testimonials, case studies. Now, this last section, just to reiterate, is your collect information section. So you have introduced the offer, which is like, hey, I sell pizza, and this pizza is going to make you never want to buy another piece of pizza again, except for ours. You're like, okay. They scroll down, supporting content to support the claim. Oh, wow, actually, they have great reviews. Oh my gosh, people are saying what they just claimed. This is great. Credibility is built. Now, once they hit the bottom of the site, they should have now hit a point where they're confident and want to give you their information to either inquire with you or purchase. So you can see the layout of your website should be the same sort of structure or have the same structural integrity as like your sales process. So your website gets to actually work as a sales prospect. Now, there's another video I have on this, and we'll go in more depth at that point. But I just wanted to show you in this video how powerful, with knowing what kind of information, where you need to put it, how things need to be said. You can, as they scrolling makes you take them from skeptical, not sure, to problem aware, to I need this and I'm going to take an action because I want to do this, which is the last part with it, which is collect information. Okay, so jump into your site, play around, take a look, start editing it. And just to give you an idea of how to do that, you can see how it's really simple. All this is click and drag. You can hover your mouse over anything and it shows you what you can edit. You can just click on it. A little editor will come up and you can just change things directly on the site. There's widgets that you can click and drag. Give that a sec. Click and drag. So play around with it, design it. You can change colors and just morph this to your brand. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.